New one. Let's check it out. What do we have here? We got, the Samsung SSD. And we have a new 8 gig RAM from Timex Premium. I'm not going to open this one. This one I won't. Look at this Samsung solid state SSD. This will make your PlayStation, Xbox, computer run twice as fast. Now this one, of course, you need this one. This is for my laptop, the RAM. Until next time, peace out. Got another one. Let's see what we have in this one. We have, this is the caddy, which will go with these. You could put an SSD on this caddy. What do you have here? And 2.5 SATA hard drive to transfer everything in your hard drive to the computer. Awesome. My computer is gonna be fast as hell. Till next time. I'm not gonna open these.